Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can blur parts of your videos in CapCut PC. So for instance, I have this video right here. I'm just going to drag it to the timeline and I want to blur out this area of the map, for instance. This is just an example. Copy and paste it. And then on the second video, go to effects and type in blur. You're going to select the blur effect. If it's not there, it's in lens, which is right here. Select it and add it to this video only. You can adjust the blur here, but I'm just going to go to the mask section and I'm going to select the shape that I want. And I'm just going to adjust it to the video like this. And as you can see, it only blurs out like this part of the video. And if it like moves, for instance, you want to blur this out, you can like add a keyframe and kind of follow the movement if it like moves a lot. But for this one, it doesn't. Okay, maybe on like this one, you can like bring it down here or something. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.